On this Monday Morning Minute, we talk about zero turns on hills. First, we'd like to thank all of our viewers for watching these videos and commenting. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification button above it. So whenever we post a video about a Ventrac mowing on a hill, we invariably get comments about zero turns being able to do the exact same thing. They sound a lot like this. I do 30 degrees, if not more, with my zero turn. My hill is bigger and steeper than yours. My zero turn handles it just fine. I could mow this with my late 70s three-wheel zero turn. And all this tells us is that people really don't understand how steep of a hill we're on. Your zero turn probably isn't doing it. First and foremost, let me get this out of the way. We're not targeting any specific brand. They're all the same. Manufacturers rate zero turns for like 15 degrees, give or take, which is a far cry from the 30 degrees the Ventrac is suited for. You see, our machine is designed specifically to handle these hills, which makes it a much safer and more capable option. The reality is, most people don't understand the degree of hill that they're on, and a zero turn is not going to do a 30-degree hill under almost any condition. And if you do try to mow steep hills with a zero turn, you have to be very cautious because it's a dangerous activity. We've all seen those accidents where a zero turn or a tractor rolls over, and it's not pretty. There's a reason manufacturers don't support their use for anything higher than 15 degrees. It's not realistic, and it's just not safe. So if you've got steep hills to mow, stick to something capable, like a Ventrac. You know what the comments are going to be, right? We're going to post this and they're going to go, fake. He's leaning. Yeah, I am leaning like about 30 degrees. This rope is really the only thing holding me up. This is reality. We'll mow this. You can't, I can see the camera guy. He can't even stand. Like, it's 30 degrees. This is 30, probably not even. This is probably a little bit shy.